The name Donald Trump is rarely far from controversy. This time, it's a hush money case casting a shadow over his political return. At the heart is adult film star Stormy Daniels. She alleges an affair with Trump, which he denies. The case centers on a $130,000 payment made during the 2016 race. Prosecutors allege it was to silence Daniels and influence the election. In May, a jury found Trump guilty of falsifying business records. The verdict marked a significant legal blow to Trump. Sentencing was slated for November, but has been delayed. Trump's legal team seeks dismissal, arguing political motivation. The case remains in the spotlight, impacting Trump's political future. The prosecution, led by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, finds itself in a somewhat unusual position. While they oppose dismissing the case, they've agreed to a delay in sentencing. This decision stemmed from a desire to allow Trump's lawyers ample time to present their arguments for dismissal. The prosecution's stance underscores their commitment to a fair legal process. They maintain that Trump's election victory should not shield him from the potential consequences of his actions. They argue that no one, not even a former president, is above the law. The prosecution is pushing for the judge to set a clear timeline for addressing the defense's dismissal request. Their message is clear. They are ready to vigorously challenge the defense's arguments and move forward with the case. This determination suggests a belief that the evidence against Trump is strong. It also highlights their commitment to holding him accountable for any potential wrongdoing. The former president's legal team has seized on the sentencing delay as a victory. They portray it as a sign that the case is crumbling. Stephen Chung labeled the delay a total victory for Trump and his supporters. Echoing Trump, Chung called the case a politically motivated witch hunt. Trump often uses accusations of political bias to discredit opponents. The defense argues the timing of the charges is suspect. They claim it's an attempt to derail his political aspirations. This strategy aims to rally Trump's base. The defense's confidence suggests they believe they have a strong case. However, the final decision rests with the judge. Section 4. The weight of an election. Trump's recent election victory adds complexity to his legal woes. How will his return impact the hush money case and other legal challenges? The Justice Department avoids indicting a sitting president. This policy aims to prevent crippling a president's ability to govern. While state-level charges aren't covered, his victory could influence decisions. Political fallout from convicting a sitting president is immense. This reality could weigh on the judge's decision. Trump faces other legal battles, including business dealings and election results. The outcome remains uncertain. His return complicates matters, creating a legal and political minefield. Section 5. The Georgia specter looms. The state of Georgia is another battleground for Trump's legal challenges. The investigation into his phone call with Georgia's Secretary of State, where he allegedly sought to find enough votes to overturn the 2020 election results, is ongoing. This case presents a unique challenge as it involves state election laws and potential charges of election interference. The stakes are high, and the outcome could have significant repercussions, not just for Trump, but for the integrity of the electoral process in Georgia and beyond. Legal experts are closely watching how this case unfolds, as it could set a precedent for how future election-related disputes are handled. Section 6. Navigating uncharted waters. As Trump navigates these legal challenges, he finds himself in uncharted waters. The intersection of legal battles and political aspirations creates a complex landscape, one that is fraught with uncertainty. His legal team is working tirelessly to address each case, but the sheer volume and variety of charges make it a daunting task. The implications of these cases extend far beyond the courtroom, potentially influencing public opinion and Trump's political future. For the American legal system, this situation is unprecedented, testing the boundaries of the law and the resilience of democratic institutions. The nation watches closely, as each legal decision could have a profound impact on the political landscape. Section 7. A nation awaits. The American public stands at the edge of their seats, awaiting the outcomes of these high-stakes legal battles. Trump supporters remain steadfast, viewing these challenges as politically motivated attacks. On the other hand, his critics see them as necessary steps to uphold the rule of law. The divide is stark, reflecting the broader polarization within the country. As the legal proceedings unfold, the nation grapples with questions about justice, accountability, and the future of its democracy. The final verdicts in these cases will not only determine Trump's fate, but could also shape the nation's political and legal landscape for years to come.